What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the video. As you guys can see, we had the Lotus right there, and then also we had the McCleasy. Say what's good to YouTube.
Hey, what's up?
Yes, sir. And then we have the 600 LT right there. Nice little lineup right here. This lineup is very insane. We have a very crazy POV drive brewing up for you guys. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. Hold on, let me like show you guys like through my phone what this lineup looks like, because it's absolutely crazy. Hold on. Nice little, you feel me? All right, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Gabe, come on. All right. Nah, this lineup is absolutely insane, bro. 1,500 horsepower BMW, Lotus, sheesh. And then also we have the McCleasy. Listen to those turbos, they sound good as freak. It sounds really, really good. It sounds so good. Oh yeah. Here comes the Lotus, a little bit quieter. Oh yeah. Today we're in Orange County, so I do have to be a little bit more calm because there are a lot of cops out here, and the cops out here, they will impound your car, so you have to be very, very calm. Can't do anything crazy. What is she doing? No way we're actually stopping, bro. Are you guys serious? Are you guys serious? One thing I love about Orange County, the roads here are amazing. They're so smooth. Last time I was on this highway with a freaking Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport 300 plus. Wow, guys, this is absolutely like crazy. Come on, make it, Gabe. Come on, Gabe. There we go. He's good. Oh yeah, Vector. Wow, dude. Straight out of 2016. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bro, this is beautiful, bro. Wow. Huh?
You like it?
Yes, sir. And it's the scenery too right now. The scenery. Amazing. I know. Wow. Dude, those turbos sound crazy. Oh my gosh. Dang. Both of their turbos sound crazy. My bad, guys, the wind noise is really bad. Sorry about that. My bad, my bad. I wonder how much those houses cost. Probably like a couple million. Normal mode right now. I don't want to get pulled over. That's where I almost got pulled over last time, Pelican Hill. Look how quiet it is. Wow. This freaking, like, dude, this is crazy, bro. Definitely don't want to move here when I'm older. Right now, no, because it's too, like, calm. But definitely when I'm older, yes. But if you guys wonder what I do for a living, I have a clothing brand which is called Grail Locker. I'm wearing my hoodie right now. This is my rhinestone hoodie. If you guys want to go shop, first link in bio, groundlocker.com. Also, go follow my main social media accounts, which is Cali the Kid. I'm now streaming on Kick like every day. So go follow my Kick, which is at Cali the Kid. My Instagram at Cali the Kid. TikTok at Cali the Kid. Everything at Cali the Kid. Yeah. And make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe on the video if you guys want more POV drives like this. All right, let's go. We're driving really calm today. Just enjoy, guys, enjoy. Just enjoy. Pacific Ocean right here to our right. Look at that. Beautiful. Boys. Dang, Tesla's flying. Hold on, bro. Relax. We have made it to Pelican Hill. I meant to Crystal Cove, my bad. Crystal Cove Shopping Center. They have the Aston Martin dealership here. Javier's is right there. It's really nice, especially on the weekends, bro. Bugattis, Koenigseggs, Pagani's, Lamborghinis, anything you can dream of is in this area. And this like little shopping center on Saturdays and Sundays. Wow, bro, look how beautiful this looks. Oh my gosh, it looks insane, bro. Looks straight out of a freaking movie, that ass. You know what? I see myself living here, actually. I think I see myself living here. Because this looks beautiful. This is insane. This is beautiful. Oh, yeah. This is beautiful. Send address. Cove. Crystal Cove Shopping Center. But wow, so peaceful, guys. And let me know where you guys watch my video from. You guys watching from the London, Paris, France, Brazil, Texas, Florida, Miami, Los Angeles. Where you guys watching my video from? Got old head in the Carrera. Well, I built not a science guy. Alright. I'm probably like the only Hellcat in this area. Like no Hellcat drivers be in like this area for real. I bet. As you can see, here's the Aston Martin dealership. This feels like a Saturday, dude. This is Javier's right here. It's like a Mexican restaurant. Now we gotta try to find a parking spot. That's beautiful. That's where the rich millionaires hang out at. As you can see why. It's beautiful here. You know what? I think I see myself living here. Alright, we good. Put her in a runway. Dang, dude. Look at the lighting, bro. It's beautiful. beautiful. All right, where we parking at, boys? Where we parking at, boys? If anything, you guys park up right here and get some videos. Let's see. Let's see what the word is. Yo.
There's gonna be 0 parking all year, but we can do something in like just the open space for a little bit. Just depends.
Yeah, we can do that. We can just do that.
Yeah.
I'll just park somewhere and then we can park the car somewhere and just get some videos.
Cool.
Is security like a pain in the ass here or is it good?
We go fast, it should be fine.
Okay, bet.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna find somewhere to park and then
Okay.
you can bring the cars like.
I'll just leave the car here for now.
Yeah.
Give you some time and then yeah, we'll start here.
Okay, bet. Alright, bet. Look at that. Looks crazy. Let's see. Right here, boom. There we go. All right, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed that POV drive. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for the next one. Hold on. Go ahead and park up in here real quick. All right, with that being said, hold on. Let me fix it one more time. Boom. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe on the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. All right, boys. As you can see, I have my new rental car right here. This is my brand new 600 LT. It's in this beautiful purple colorway. As you can see, yellow calipers. It's MSO as well. Look at that. This car is insane. Alcantara, Senna buckets, yellow seat belt. Sheesh. And also it has an exhaust as well. This car is beautiful. You guys let me know what you think of the new rental car.